Remember, the YouTube ads feed the ducks. Hello everybody, it's October 24th and I came outside. I was doing a little bit of work on the computer and I decided I'm going to come out and see what the ducks are up to. And I came down here and there is not a sound. The lake is silent. So I've got a new whistle and it's one of them little safety whistles. I'll show it to you. It's like, this is it. And I'm going to see if I can get them to respond to it for all the times that I can't whistle. So we're going down to the lake right now to give the new whistle a try. Of course, as soon as I get down here, it starts to rain. No sign of any ducks. Hello, ducks! What are you doing? Oh, look at them come right away. Hello, duckies! Let's try this new whistle out. Man, the last 2 days, 3 days, I can't whistle. Come on! Come on over here! Come on! Come on, duckies! Fall's here, everybody. It's cold, it's sleeting, it's snowing. It's nasty fall weather. Come on, everybody! Oh, well, they're rallying up here. Rocco is going to come out and try to knock me in the water again. Rocky! Poor dog, you can barely walk. Hey? And of course he's going to check out the duck poop. Rocco! No duck poop eaten. Hey! Leave the duck poop alone. Come on, ducks! What, are you mad at me? Come on! You know, it's got to be the dry weather and my lips aren't moistened up because I can't whistle. The last 3 days. Oh, there comes my ducks. Okay, Rocco. Oh, look at them come. Just a hauling. Everybody's coming over. I'm getting away from Rocco. I don't trust him. Hello, everybody! Oh, look at the big Muscovy flying! Big male! Right on! He caught an updraft on a wind, though. He's cheating. Hello, everybody! Man, that wind is crazy here today. For my southern watchers here, right now this is nasty fall weather. And it's going to get worse. Right, ducks? but it doesn't matter to you, does it? How's everybody? You know, it's really nice how I can actually see the peakings. I can tell the difference between the male and the females. Their feathers are showing us now what's what. I'm just trying to plan out a way of separating everybody and doing a census. I've got to get all the females separated so I can do a head count on the males and determine who's the biggest and who's going to get spared. It's going to be a big job sorting everybody. That's so nice you guys come over, but your friends aren't. Oh, they're coming, slow but sure. I don't know what the picture's turning out, but my screen's fogging up. It's cold enough here right now. And there's just a light sprinkle of water here, so I might be cutting this video short because the mic can't take any water. So hurry up, guys, so we can get a good video of you this afternoon here. The duck train's coming over to see me. The afternoon duck call. They're all down here. Look at the duckies. Hey, everybody. How is everybody? It would start raining as soon as I come out here. Hello, ducks. Yeah, I've got one of those wind socks on the mic, so you can't hear the wind howling here right now. But it's howling enough that I actually am having a hard time hearing myself talk through my toque here. What's going on, guys? The wind freaks you out, eh? I know. Winter's coming. I've noticed the peaking, I thought they were males doing the courting, but it's actually the females that are courting the males. I didn't realize that until I found out how do you tell the difference of the feathers, but the head bobbing, like that one right there, that's doing the head bobbing is actually a female. So the females swim up along the males, bobbing their heads, sort of like saying, you know, mount me, I'm ready. That's a big male. Nasty weather, eh, guys? Whoa! Oh, that's 3 crazy sneezes. Oh, more ducks are coming. Come on over! The whole wind's silent. They can't make out what that new whistle sound is all about. It's me. This is when I can't whistle anymore. I'm going to use this. Do you approve? That's me. It's strange how they all go quiet until they... Yes. Well, we got some more coming over. It looks like the flock is responding today. Oh, we got a peeking all by himself over there. A female. All alone. Just sitting there. Bizarre that she's not coming over. Well, more of them are coming over here. Looks like there's some big Muscovy males over there that they're not interested in coming over. I can't get a good shot of them here. Yeah, they're behind the weed, the grass, so you can't see them. Well, it's a pretty good response. It looks like only 3 of you didn't come over. Alright, considering it's not even a nice day. But as if that really matters to you guys. I bet you're all nice and toasty with that duck down. Natural insulation. So that's the afternoon duck call. Yes, I know. My ducks. They're so cool. And as soon as I walk away from the dock, they're gonna leave. So I'm gonna Rocco and I are gonna walk backwards, and we're gonna say goodbye to everybody. All right, we're gonna leave, guys. So you can leave if you want and go your own direction here. Come on, Rocky, let's go. We're leaving. Well, now they want to follow me down the dock here. You gonna come down the dock? Well, they're all quiet. I'm leaving here. Yeah, they're following. They're still hanging around. The way the creek's freezing up in the morning, I'm going to have to find a new route for them. You guys are going to have to learn how to skate on ice to get to the lake here. You know, less than 10 days ago, I was sitting out here in my shorts drinking a beer, and it was 25 degrees Celsius. And right now it's about 2 degrees Celsius. The wind's blowing, it's drizzling. There's snow, there's sleet. Good old Canadian weather. We had a beautiful Indian summer this year. All right, well, that's the afternoon duck call, and I'm gonna go head back. I got lots of work to do and try to get some things done. We're getting ready for winter. Got some things around the house we got to get done so we can go back focusing, working on expanding the duck pen and getting the barn ready for the winter for the ducks. So that's it for today.